Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Tim and this is 1001 Paintings. Thank you for joining us today. This is Labor Day weekend here in the United States. I hope you enjoyed your barbecues and backyard picnics and hopefully your days off work. So I did just want to do a quick video to check in with you and let you know how things are going and keeping myself honest and the pressure on myself to actually to move the project forward and not let it languish for large periods of time. So first I wanted to let you know how my viewing is going on the movies, and it is coming along. Now there are many topics that I've listened to already: line, color, shape, perspective, subject matter, signs, symbols, icons, things like that. All of those topics have been covered. I would say I have about 5 or 6 videos to go, so my universe of possible questions that I can ask in front of a painting is narrowing itself down, and I'm getting more of a sense of what each individual interaction with a painting might be like. So I'll be working on that crib sheet coming up as soon as I finish those videos, how to come up with a list of questions or some sort of checklist or topic areas that I would be looking at when I'm looking at a painting. So I'm moving along on that area and hope to be done very soon. The second area I wanted to talk with you about today was the videos themselves. The more I think about it, the more they begin to take shape in my mind. I do not one thing that I think I've solidified in my mind is that I would not be doing actual reactions while standing in front of a painting. I don't think I want to, I don't want to have a camera and be holding a camera and trying to tape myself or film myself or catch audio of myself standing in front of a painting. I don't want to have that interaction. Honestly, I don't want to have that experience, nor do I want to look like a wingnut in a museum standing in front of a painting looking like I'm talking to myself. So I think what I see is some sort of notepad or a crib sheet that I bring with me that, you know, prompts some questions that I might ask myself after I watch the videos, and come up with that crib sheet. That I would take that crib sheet with me in some smaller form and take some notes and for myself to later on actually write up a whole narrative or discussion that I would create audio for, but at the same time showing you pictures that I had taken of the painting while standing in front of it. So again, just sort of working through what an actual video might look like for each of the paintings. So, and then also thinking about the different types of videos. You know, things that have popped into my head are different color thumbnails for different types of videos that maybe, you know, an individual art painting video might have a green thumbnail, let's say, whereas an update video on my quest might have a blue thumbnail or things like that. So I am thinking about things like that. And also at the same time as I'm thinking about the videos themselves, I am watching more videos on how to work in Shotcut and become hopefully a better editor. I have not honestly spent as much time as I probably need to on that. But as with the videos themselves, I feel like it has to come with practice. Watching videos is only so helpful. So I need to make more videos that I would need to edit. So another reason I'm here with you today is to hopefully maybe work on, you know, my editing skills and become more comfortable in Shotcut and how I would create videos for you that hopefully are visually interesting. So the third topic I'd like to talk with you today about is YouTubing. Again, not only have I been watching the videos regarding how to look at art, and the videos on how to work in Shotcut, I've also been watching videos about how to be a YouTuber and how to start a YouTube channel and how, you know, novice mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. Whenever I watch these videos, I tend to have some kind of existential crisis because I feel like my goal is not to become Mr. Beast and have 75 million followers and make the flashiest, most clickable videos on YouTube. I don't see that's where these are ending up. And I don't see how, with the topic that I'm working with, I could make them so salacious as to, you know, make a bunch of people that aren't interested in art click on them. perhaps it is doable, and maybe I would get there someday, although I'm not sure how. I oftentimes think of myself as maybe a cross between Rick Steves and Sister Wendy, both of which are compelling in their own way, but not as personalities per se. So you don't get that sort of sense of YouTubing adventure I don't see myself becoming a YouTube personality. That is not what I'm looking to do, and not how I want the videos to come across. I want the paintings to speak for themselves, and maybe the quest itself to speak for itself. And I want to give you that information as efficiently and interestingly as possible. However, I don't want to make it slick. I want to make them timeless and not just conform to the latest thinking on how YouTube videos should look. So while there are many tips right now that I've been watching about how to grow a YouTube channel and how to get 1,000 subscribers in 60 days, or how to increase your subscribers this way and make more people click and make more people want to subscribe, and I do want to do those things, that's not my primary goal. I would rather have more people engaged and have it not be as salacious for the general public. So again, if you have any thoughts on this, or ways in which one could perhaps with this topic make it interesting while not catering to the flashy sort of click here now mentality of YouTube, I'd love to hear your thoughts. So down below you could do that, and so that's where I am right now. I hope we're not months away from really beginning this quest. We're weeks, maybe even a week and a half. I'm not sure how long it will take to edit up one of these first videos, and what exactly they will look like. So it's hard to give an exact timeline at this moment, but I am continuing to work, I promise you. I'm working towards it, and I'm still getting everything ready. So as always, thank you for tuning in, and if you're interested in learning more about my quest and following along as I post these new videos, please click the like and the subscribe and the notification buttons down below. You know what to do. Most people know what to do now. So thank you for doing that if you do, and thanks for watching today. Until next time.